Thank you for joining us for this virtual Cancer Week session. We want to introduce you to our online platform so you can get the most out of your experience. You are able to create your own learning environment by customizing your delegate console. All of the elements on the screen can be moved. Simply click the bar at the top of the box you wish to move and drag and drop to a new location on the screen. Content boxes can also be resized by hovering over the right-hand corner and once again dragging and dropping. You are also able to minimize boxes on the screen and reopen them by clicking on the bar at the bottom. If you are watching live, then you can ask questions to our speakers by typing them in the question box and then pressing the submit icon. Take the time to explore some of the features on the page. The related content box contains resources relevant to the session you're watching. We also have buttons in the bar at the bottom of your screen linking to our virtual charity village, our sponsors, and our electronic poster gallery. All of the presentations given today will be available on catch up within a few hours of this event finishing. You can access this by using the same login details used today and the same clickable links that were circulated on the agenda. We hope you enjoy this session and we welcome you again soon.